Sick! Off-road! Woo! Dead.
While we were building a number of Ducatis and Harley Davidsons, we also took on this smaller project. This 1981 Honda CB250 Super Dream is a low budget, full rebuild that needs to be done and sold as quick as possible. I said as quick as possible. Hello?
Built for off-roading as such.
Not really.
This Honda has been sat in a shed since 2006. We're going to be completely restoring this bike and customizing it at the same time. Although those Comstar wheels give this bike a lot of character, they've got to go. We're putting spoked wheels in this bike. We have some extra help on this project as well. We have our littlest brother, JP, and Posh to help us with the cameras and the rebuild. We have Mint Customs t-shirts and hoodies for sale on our website. There's a link in the description below. Now that we've stripped the bike and started making the subframe, it becomes clear that once again we have a lot of work on our hands.
Yeah, I have a coffee.
Tea.
Tom T, coffee, JP,
Yeah.
T, SP. This Super 250 needs a whole new subframe making. New handlebars, new wheels, new seat. These smaller projects are very tricky for a number of reasons. When this bike is finished, it's not going to be worth that much money, so we really have to be careful with spending the budget.
What do you reckon, boys?
Get in there, mate.
But also maintaining the high standards and keeping everything top quality, all the way down to every nut and washer. And as you can see, we have a long way to go. The sooner we get this Super 250 sent for paint and powder coat, the better. We have a mountain of spare parts to refurbish,
Who's making a mess over there?
an even bigger mountain of parts to order. Our plan to hide the battery and getting the spoked wheels to fit is coming together nicely. The whole bike is stripped, the welding is finished, this new set of wheels are prepped. Now we wait. We wait for the paint and powder coat.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Got Richard and Chloe here today doing a photo shoot with the latest build that the boys have done, the 900 SS Ducati commission build for a guy called Nick Rhodes. It's been an interesting day. Strike a pose, sir.
Luckily, the powder coat has arrived before we all turned into models. And now we have everything we need to get this bike finished. We are all at 100% throttle to get it done. Turn up the music!
obviously things were hitting things and
It was a bigger decision than we originally thought, changing the wheels from
Comstars.
to spoked wheels, yeah.
Oh well, shit happens.
There's always hidden things we have to do with these older bikes, isn't there? Like, there's a lot of
Time.
stuff and time that goes into everything, and the amount of parts we put on these things is overwhelming, really, isn't it?
Because there's such old bikes, everything needs
Yeah, never take anything for granted. It all needs replacing.
replacing or made good,
Yeah.
which takes a lot of time
Yeah.
and a lot of effort. I think we should just stick to building Ducatis, mate.
Yeah, and Harleys.
You look pretty good at that.
Getting there.
Down with that. Down with that.
Despite this bike taking almost 3 months to finish, yes, 3 months, we never give up, and now eventually the bike is almost done. A quick photo shoot for Instagram, and now there's only one thing left to do: test ride. Go on, Tom, go and have some fun. Okay, straight away you can feel the 250's faster than the 125 we built, but a little heavier as well. This bike feels like such good quality. I can't believe we sell these bikes so cheap. You get so much bike for the money. It's amazing. What an awesome, awesome bit of kit. This bike is going up for sale. You can contact us about buying this bike or any of our other sales bikes. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right.
And see you in the next episode.
Gonna make it last all night. That's right. Gonna make it last all night. That's right. Gonna make it last all night. That's right. Gonna make it last all night.
See you, mate. I'll meet you at home. It's still going. Whoa, it's gone into the house.